Hello students, welcome to my channel. My dear students, before starting the today's session, I want to give one information to you. That is, Friday evening 6:30, I am coming online to just clarify your doubts. Some students asked me some doubts in the comment box. So I want to come in the online and clarify your doubts. So before Friday evening 6:30, you just comment your doubts in the comment box so that only those questions will be solved in the live session. I hope you all understood. Please inform your all remaining your friends also, other students, those who want to watch also. This is my information. Now, in my class, today is my class, I am starting the second chapter of NCERT syllabus, 8th standard, mathematics second chapter, that is algebraic expression. This comes under the branch of maths, that is algebra. You know that in mathematics there are mainly three parts. Now for the high school students, for example, this up to 8th standard you are having only three parts. The next you are getting trigonometry, calculus, analytical geometry, like that different kinds of branches also you are learning. But now till today or till 8th standard, now you are having, there are three branches in the mathematics, that is arithmetic, algebra and geometry. Now this algebraic expression comes under the branch algebra. What is algebra? Algebra deals with the variables and constants. The main thing in the algebra is variables. What are these variables? What are these constants? And again, along with these, some terms also will come in algebra. Main, very important, how the alphabets are there in English, the same way these all are the alphabets of algebra. That means we must know these all things to understand algebra. See here, constant, variable, term, coefficient, monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial, algebraic expression, numerical expression, like that. These all terms are very important to understand algebra very well. Now, let us start learning by constant. What is this constant? See here children. Now 3, 5, 7, 17, 29. These all are numbers. These numbers or these all are called as symbols. These symbols are having the fixed value. These are called as constants. These are called as constants. And see, next comes variable or a literal. You know that in the algebra we are using small a, b, c, d, e, f up to z, small z. We are using as variables, variable or literal. Why we are calling these as variable? You know that the meaning of vary means change. Variables means they will change their values. How the constants will have their fixed value, like that variables will not have the fixed value for them. They are just varying their values, so they are called as variables or a literal. Variable, another name of variable is literal. See here, a value is in one problem maybe 3. In another problem, a may be taking as 100. So, according to the situation, they take their values. They are varying their values, so they are called as variables. Very important in the algebra. We are using these variables very oftenly. Then the next comes term. Very important. Term. What is the term in the algebra? Term is combination of constant and variable, or sometimes constant itself is a term and the variable itself is a term. or the combination of example see, 3 is a term, x is a term, 3x is a term, 4y is a term, 7xy is a term. See here, constant is a term, variable is a term. Here the combination of constant and a variable itself is a term. 4y, constant and variable. The what is this? This combination is also a term. This is also a term. But sometimes 7 plus x will come. No, this is not a term. This is called as algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. The combination of terms and constant along with the arithmetic operations. For example, plus here, minus, division, multiplication, like this. Constant and terms. The combination of constant and terms are called as algebraic expression. Very, very important. Please try to understand. See, this is constant. This is also a term. This is also a term. Here combination of constant and algebraic variable is also a term. This is also a term. This is also a term. Here the combination of variable and constant. This is called as algebraic expression. Suppose sometimes you may ask me, see here 3 plus 100. Is it an algebraic expression? No. This is called as numerical expression. See, numerical expression, algebraic expression. In the numerical expression, combination of two constants will be there. But in the algebraic expression, combination of one constant and the algebraic term. Like that, it may be 2 or 3 or 4. It may be any number. That is called as algebraic expression. See, on this base only, suppose there is one term. This is called as monomial. If there is only one term in the algebraic expression, it is called as monomial. Here, mono means single. Mono means one. Mono means one. Monomial. Then one more, 3x plus 2. Here see here 1 and 2. Binomial. On the basis of the number of the terms, the algebraic expressions will be having this kind of names. If there is one term in the expression, that is monomial. If there are two terms in the expression, that is binomial. Binomial. You see, bi means two. Binomial. Suppose the same way 3y plus 2x plus 7 is having here 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. This is called as trinomial. This is called as trinomial. On the basis of the presence of number of terms, the algebraic expression is, see, classified like this: monomial, binomial, trinomial. In an expression, in an algebraic expression, if there is one term, that is monomial. If there are two terms, that is binomial. If there are three terms, that is trinomial. And here one more thing you have to observe. In each here, these two cases I have taken only plus. Even it may be sometimes, see here, the algebraic expressions also may be like this. What is that? See, 2x minus 2. You may ask, why ma'am? Only plus you have taken. Even you can take minus also. 2x minus 2. Here how many terms are there? 2 terms. Then what it is? It is binomial expression. See here, one more thing very important, you have to keep it in the mind. Plus and minus separate the terms. Always plus and minus separate the terms. Whereas multiplication and division do not separate the terms. Multiplication and division do not separate the terms. Do not separate the terms. Very, very important terms you are learning now. So, plus and minus always We just classify them as monomial, binomial, trinomial. How? On the basis of plus and minus sign. If division and multiplication, they never separate the terms. This is what all about the algebraic expression things, the needed things we have learnt now. In between these, just I left it coefficients here. You know that 3xy is a term, algebraic term it is. Okay. In this, what is the numerical coefficient? Numerical means number. What is here? Here numerical coefficient is 3. What is the coefficient of x if I ask? That is 3y. Then what is the algebraic coefficient of 3? If I ask, you can write xy. Okay. What is the numerical coefficient of x means? You can write 3. This is what coefficient. Coefficient means companion. Companion. What is the companion of 3x means? What is the companion of xy means? Numerical companion is 3 here. What is the algebraic companion of x means? You can say y. So like this, coefficient means numerical coefficient and algebraic coefficient. Algebraic coefficient means the variable you have to say. See now, one more example I will take. 27xyz. What is the numerical coefficient of xyz? That is 27. Okay. Now what is the coefficient of y? Just I ask coefficient means except y, remaining all is companion of y. Say here 27 y is there. Its companion, its coefficient we are asking means xz you have to write. Numerical means just you have to say the number. Algebraic means you have to say the algebraic variable. Only just we are asking the coefficient means both together except this we have to say here. This is what coefficient. I hope you understood these all terms. Now let us understand how to classify this as the constant, variables, monomial, binomial, trinomials in the exercise 2.1. I hope you all understood this and can solve the exercise 2.1. Thank you children. One more thing I want to tell you children. See here, in the comments box I got some comments from the students that in exercise 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 or 1.5 also they can't understand some problems it seems. So Friday, that means 22nd evening 6:30 I am coming on live in the YouTube. Live in the YouTube 6:30. So please students, you inform your friends also, come in the online, and before that you comment me the number of or exercise number and the problem number which you not understood or which you cannot solve, so that I can take those problems come in the live session. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe my channel.